10 paraan para madagdagan ang kita. Magbenta ng pack meals o snacks. Let's say ang puhunan is 3,000 pesos at ang estimated profit per week is 1,000 per week. Kung saan ang possible monthly profit is 4,000 pesos. Pwedeng magbenta sa workplace, kapitbahay, o pwede rin online. Magbenta ng barbecue tuwing weekend. Let's say ang puhunan is 3,000 pesos, ang estimated profit per week is 1,000 pesos, at ang possible monthly profit is 4,000 pesos. Halimbawa, no, barbecue, hotdog, isaw, at iba pang merienda. Benta ng homemade kakanin. Let's say ang puhunan is 2,000 pesos, ang estimated profit per week is 750 pesos, at ang possible monthly profit is 3,000 pesos. Pwedeng gumawa ng kutsinta, puto, sapin-sapin, o iba pang kakanin. Online selling, ang puhunan let's say is 5,000 pesos, at ang estimated profit is 3,000 pesos per month. Pwedeng mag-resell ng damit, beauty products, snacks, o even household items. Freelance online, halimbawa no, Canva, Excel, typing o data entry o basic admin work. So ang puhunan for the training is 1,000, which is the internet data at basic tools. Estimated extra income is 5,000 pesos per month. Mas maliit ang puhunan dahil skill at oras ang pangunahing puhunan. Tutor tuwing weekend, let's say ang puhunan is 500 pesos for the printing materials. Halimbawa, no, 2 students, times 500 per session times 4 session. So, possible income is 4,000 pesos per month. Offer ng weekend cleaning service. Let's say, ang puhunan is 2,000 pesos for the basic cleaning materials. So, kung kumita ng 500 pesos, then for weekends, the possible income is 2,000 pesos per month. Customize gifts and Canva design. So, let's say, ang puhunan is 2,000 pesos for the materials, software, or printing. Halimbawa, meron kang 10 orders, which is 300 pesos per profit. So, ang possible profit per month is 3,000 pesos. Resell ng pre-love clothes, no, ang puhunan is 3,000 pesos. Halimbawa, no, 20 items times 200 pesos profit. So, ang possible profit is 4,000 pesos. Remember, pwedeng ring magsimula sa sariling mga damit at gamit na hindi naman ginagamit para zero additional capital. Pagtinda ng inumin o merienda, let's say ang puhunan is 2,500, ang estimated profit is 750 pesos per week. Ang possible monthly profit is 3,000 pesos. Halimbawa, iced coffee, palamig, sandwiches, o simple snacks.